If you prefer treats instead of tricks at Halloween, we've got the perfect recipe for you. Why not try out these crispy rice pumpkins? They're fun and easy to make. To make your very own spooky treats, all you'll need are 2 cups of crisped rice cereal, 1 tablespoon of salted butter, 4 ounces of marshmallows, orange gel food colouring. To decorate, you can choose whatever you'd like. We're going to use cola sweets and green icing. Let's get started by measuring out 2 cups of crisped rice cereal and popping them into a bowl. Next, add your butter into a saucepan and start to melt it over a low to medium heat. Add your marshmallows in with your butter and stir until everything's melted together. As you're stirring, you can add in your food colouring until you've got a lovely orange pumpkin colour. Once you have your mixture melted and mixed, and you've got the right colour for a lovely pumpkin, it's time to add the cereal. Gently fold in your crispy rice cereal until everything is coated in the mixture. Once everything's cool enough to handle, use your hands to create the pumpkins by making treat-sized balls. To make the pumpkin stems, we're using cola straws, but you could try using your favourite sweets or even pretzels. Pop the stems into the top of your pumpkins and decorate them however you like. We're using green icing to add some extra leaves and tendrils. And there you have it, crispy rice pumpkins ready for Halloween. We can't wait to see all of your creepy creations, so make sure you keep in touch with Full Circle Food Project. You can do this by visiting our website and joining our newsletter at fcfp.org.uk.